3. Hack number 3 is hook 15 to 30 seconds attention grabbing hook plus first 30 seconds script. 15 to 30 seconds attention grabbing hook plus what? First 30 seconds script. Why this? As we all know, retention in the first 5 to 15 seconds decides the algorithm's love. Some of us, we are used to saying, the algorithm is against me, the algorithm is against me, or the algorithm doesn't like me. The algorithm, like I always say, it's never emotional because it is not a human being. It is a system that has been programmed and told some codings. Do this if this happens. Do this if this happens. So it's not a human being who is sitting down there and deciding that, oh, because Wholesome Kids is a black woman, I don't like black women, so I'm going to put her videos under the bench, under the stalk, so that her videos keep stalking. No, this is a system that has been set up to do XYZ if XYZ happens. So your first 15 to 30 seconds will either keep people watching your video or make them click away. Once they click away, the message that is being sent to the algorithm is that this video is not good enough, so people are not interested in it. And as long as people are not interested in it, sweetheart, the algorithm is not going to push that video. Do you know why? There are millions and millions of videos that are being pushed out at the same time you are pushing out your video. So the algorithm doesn't have the time, the patience enough to sit and begin to romance a very bad product that has been given to you to find a way to project, into the world. No, so you must do everything within the first 15 to 30 seconds of your video to see if you can grab attention. Now, how does ChatGPT help you in all of this? I would like to read out a prompt. I'm putting it out here. If you want, you can copy that prompt because that is what I use to give you how you can start your videos, and then you bring people into that point where they watch till the very end. Okay, so this is the prompt. Write me a 30 seconds opening script for a YouTube video on topic. You insert your topic. I may be wanting to shoot a video on parenting, parenting a confident kid. So I'm going to put in on parenting a confident kid. Then I'll go ahead to tell ChatGPT, start with a startling fact or an emotional hook. Follow with a one-line promise of value. Then a 3-word call to action. Keep language simple for parents and kids. Depending on your topic, depending on your niche, you will now, tweak this. Once you push that out, sweetheart, Chat is going to give you those 2 compelling hooks that you asked for. Number 1, you said either an emotional hook or a startling hook, isn't it? Those are the 2 that Chat is going to give to you. And if you use either of them, I bet you we will stay back to watch your video. The next hack of using ChatGPT is going to shock you. So you may want to watch out for the next video. Remember, this is a series. This is the second series, which came with the title and the hook. The next series is going to be a great shocker to you. If at this point you've not subscribed to this channel, you may want to do so, because this is the place to be for your growth and blow up of your small channels. I remain Peggy, and I'll see you in the next video.